Hi, in this video I will present you how to reset all settings in ASUS Zenbeam S2 projector. All you need to do is to click OK on the projector's remote. Then when you see the menu, go down to the system setup, click right arrow and go down to reset all, confirm everything, choose yes and wait a moment. As you can see, the projector restarts. Now you need to choose the language. And it's all done. All settings on the ASUS Zenbeam S2 projector has been resetted. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel.